In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bill in Clio Manage. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go over here on the left and you want to click on Billing. And the first way to actually create a bill is to click on New Bills top right. And then from here, you want to basically select the billable clients. So I have some random populated data in here. It's just some demo data. I'm going to click on this one, for example, and I'm going to click on Generate. Now, when you do this, of course, you could generate invoices. You could go and customize everything and click on Generate Bills here at the bottom. When you do this, you're gonna get your job status, and whenever it's done, there we go, you can click on See Invoice, and then from here it's basically gonna show you your invoices, your bills over here, and of course you can just click on them and see them that way. Okay, now of course that's the first way. The second one, you can create a quick bill, is by going to Matters over here on the left, and then from here you basically want to check mark like something like this, for example, and you could do multiple, or what you could do is just click on Actions with any of these ones and click on Quick Bill. Now when you do this, it's going to take you back to billing, and over here it's going to allow you to generate or create a bill. So as you can see, there we go, you can of course customize this data over here. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom. Again, this is just some sample data, and then you want to click on Generate Bill over here, and then whenever you do this, the same thing will basically apply, and yeah, you can generate bills that way as well. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.